DIY teeth whitening remedies. Number 1. Brushing with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. It is a mild abrasive that can scrub away surface stain on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth which prevents bacteria from growing. Number 2. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is a traditional remedy in India meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxins from body. The practice involving swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth looks yellow. Coconut oil is a popular choice because it has a pleasant taste, offers many health benefits. Coconut oil is high in uric acid, which is known for ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria.